Good morning, everyone. So, last class we study about all the three cases. Okay. So, your first case is real and distinct root. Okay. Then second case is repeated root, and third is complex conjugate root. So, next we see a example how to use these cases. Okay. So, first example is y double dash minus 12y is equals to 0. तो सब केस में गोटे गोटे एग्जांपल दे दूचे देन जहाँ प्रॉब्लम अच्छी बुक रे निजे सॉल्व करिवो ओके सो सॉल्यूशन these are converted sorry we know that our solution is e to the power mx by using so the पूर्व जो पढ़ी हम कौन थिला y equals to we take any homogeneous equation then let the solution is e to the power mx like this y equals to e to the power mx okay so now we find y dash so this is your e to the power m e to the power mx then y double dash is m square e to the power mx then put this in your given equation so here m square e to the power mx sorry minus y dash is m into e to the power mx then minus 12 into y is e to the power mx this equals to 0 okay then here we take common e to the power mx so that is your m square minus m minus 12 equals to 0 but here we know that this is not equals to 0 so that this is our auxiliary equation so auxiliary equation is m square minus m minus 12 equals to 0 so this is the equation then we find the root of this equation okay this is called auxiliary equation or characteristic equation okay so now we find the root of this equation so how to find m square minus 4m plus 3m minus 12 equals to 0 then m minus 4 plus 3 m minus 4 equals to 0 so that is your m minus 4 m plus 3 equals to 0 so the roots are m equals to 4 and minus 3 okay so these are the so this is which type of roots real and distinct these two are different so this is your case 1 okay so from case 1 we know that our solution is y equals to c1 y1 plus c2 y2 so here y1 is equals to e to the power y is e to the power mx so y1 is first root okay this is your 4x and y2 is e to the power minus 3x so our general solution y equals to c1 e to the power 4x plus c2 e to the power minus 3x okay so this is our general solution by using case 1 okay then एमती बही जहाँ भी अच्छी तुम निजे सॉल्व करने ट्राई कर ओके सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस इज वी फाइंड द जनरल सॉल्यूशन इफ वी जब तुम क्वेश्चन गिवन थी पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन बाहर करने मीन्स द क्वेश्चन इज y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y equals to 0 okay here y of 0 equals to minus 1 so next y dash 0 equals to 0 these two conditions are given so we find our particular solution so first of all we find the root अच्छा ये डायरेक्टली आम ये जमी सॉल्व करके कौन पाइले m square minus means y double dash अगर m square y dash अगर m minus 12 and कॉमन आसे आम डायरेक्ट ये पुट कर e to the power mx then m square minus 3m plus 2 equals to 0 जो डायरेक्ट पुट कर न पार देन जमी प्रोसेस वाइज कल से भाया करवा ओके सो नेक्स्ट वी फाइंड द रूट ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन so the root is m square minus 2m minus m plus 2 equals to 0 okay then take common m minus 2 m minus 2 equals to 0 m minus 1 m minus 2 equals to 0 so here root is m equals to 1 and 2 so this is also real and distinct So our general solution is y equals to c1 e to the power x, m is m1 is 1, m2 is 2. So c1 e to the power x plus c2 e to the power m2x, m2 is 2. So this is 2x. Okay, this is your general solution. Okay, so our particular solution बाहर करार अच्छे तो ये हमारे given अच्छे y of 0 equals हम क्या put करिए x अगर 0 put करार अच्छे this is your y of x. Okay, तो x अगर हम 0 put करें कितना होगा c1 e to the power 0 plus c2 e to the power 0. This equals to minus 1. So this is c1 e to the power 0 is 1. So c1 plus c2 equals to minus 1. So this is a equation. Okay. Then next y dash 0. So first we find y dash x. So this is your c1 e to the power x plus c2 e to the power 2x derivative e to the power 2x into 2. So y dash 0 equals to means we put 0 in place of x, e to the power 0 plus 2 c2 e to the power 0. So here we find this equals to, here given that 0. So this is your c1 plus 2 c2 equals to 0. Okay, so this is the second equation. Then solving these two equation we find the value of c1 and c2. Okay, that's given two equation, that is it. One is c1 plus c2 minus 1 and other is 2c1 plus c2 equals to 0. Then solving these two we find c1 and c2. Then you solve this, we get c1 equals to 1 and c2 equals to 2, sorry c2 equals to minus 2. नीचे सॉल्व करके चेक कर दो. ओके, देन आवर we know that our general solution is c1 e to the power x plus c2 e to the power c2 e to the power c2 e to the power 2x. Okay, so then we put the value of c1 and c2. c1 is 1, so this is your e to the power x, and c2 is minus 2 e to the power 2x. So this is your e to the power x minus 2 e to the power 2x. Okay, so our particular solution is this. Okay, clear? Then और जहाँ एग्जाम्पल अच्छे नीचे सॉल्व करियो, एग्जाम्पल और एक्सरसाइज जहाँ अच्छे सॉल्व करियो. ओके, next example is y double dash minus 6y dash plus 9y equals to 0, and the particular condition is given here. Okay, so here we put directly, then we find this equation. Then equation हमें root बाहर करियो. Then sorry, here this is minus. Okay, so our roots are m equals to 3, 3. These two are same root. Okay, so this is your case 2. Okay, then our general solution is y of x equals to repeated case 2 रे कौन थला repeated root रो कौन अच्छे हमारा solution general solution c1 plus x c2 into e to the power mx. Okay, m is your 3, so this is your 3x. Then your condition is given as y0 equals to 2, y of 0 equals to 2 means if we put 0 in place of x. Okay, so this is your c1 plus put 0 in place of x, so this is 0 e to the power 0. This equals to, this is equals to 2, so this equals to 2. Then c1, only c1 e to the power 0 is 1, so that is c1 equals to 2. We find c1 equals to 2. Okay, then next here given y dash 0 equals to 8. So first we find y dash of x, that is equals to y dash of x is c1 derivative of c1 is 0. c1 is constant, so derivative of constant is 0 plus derivative of this is c2 e to the power 3x plus this is first function, this is second function. So here we constant first function and derivative of second function. Then second is derivative of second function and constant is first function. So this is your x c2. Then derivative of this function is 3 into e to the power 3x. This is 3 into e to the power 3x. Okay, then y dash of this is 0. So in place of x we put 0. So this is c2, here we put 0, then e to the power 0, plus here this term is 0, so only c1 into 3 e to the power 0. This equals to, here is also given 8. Okay, then c1 we know that is 2, so this term is c2 plus c3c1 equals to 8. E to the power 0 is 1. Okay, so c2 plus 3c1 e to the power 0 is 1 equals to 8. So here c1 is 2, so put the value of c1, that is 2. 2 into 3 6 equals to 8. So c2 equals to 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, so here we find c1 is 2 and also c2 is 2. So our particular solution is 2 plus 2x e to the power 3x. Okay, so this is our particular solution. Okay, all are clear? Okay, then next example हम just कही दूचे तुम नोट्स रे गिवन अच्छे. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल y डबल डैश माइनस 2y डैश प्लस 5y इक्वल्स टू 0 and condition is this. So here we directly find, here we take d square y. Why? That means we take d equals to d by dx. We know that d equals to, d is the operator of d by dx, d square equals to d square by dx square, like this. So okay, d by dx is d, so dy by dx is dy, yeah na, d equals to d by dx, so dy is multiply here, dy by dx equals to also y is multiply here. Okay, so d square y equals to d square y by dx square. This is written as y double dash, this is written as y dash. Okay, and only y is y. Okay, so here like this, here we put y double dash, means here we find y double dash equals to d square y, so here we put d square y minus in y dash, this is your dy, so that is minus 2 dy plus 5y equals to 0. So here we common y, then like this. Okay, equals to 0, then this is your root, then find the root of this equation. It is जानिछ x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divide 2a. जब रूट बाहर करते हैं जानी थे समस्त. ओके, सो योर रूट इज 1 प्लस माइनस 2y. दिस इज योर कॉम्प्लेक्स कंजुगेट रूट. सो योर कॉम्प्लेक्स कंजुगेट रूट, it is your case 3. So first root is 1 plus 2y, second root is 1 minus 2y. So we know that our formula is y of x equals to, e to the power mx e to the power alpha x in bracket cos beta x plus b sin beta x, yeah na. So here in this root, here alpha is 1, beta is 2. Okay, so here the solution is e to the power alpha x. Alpha is 1, so this is x. इटा में alpha plus minus I beta, ये नहीं होता ना, तो alpha जगह रही है 1 and I beta जगह रही है I 2. Okay, so this is your cos beta x 2x plus b sin 2x. Okay, then this is your particular solution. So y of 0 equals to minus 2, y dash 0 equals to 1. So in place of x we put 0. So put 0. e to the power 0 is 1. Then this is 1. Okay, then cos 0 is 1, but sin 0 is 0. So this term is vanished. Only a equals to, here this is given y of 0 equals to minus 3. So that is a equals to minus 3. Okay. Then next is given y double dash of 0 equals to 1. So y dash of 0 equals to 1. So we find the derivative of this y of x. So the derivative बाहरी गला तुम निजे सॉल्व करियो. ओके, मैं खाली जस्ट कही देछे. सो y dash 0 equals to पुट करियो इन प्लेस ऑफ x वी पुट 0. ओके, तो पुट कला पर हमरा आछे ए टाइप रो सॉल्यूशन. सो हियर b equals to 2. Here we find a equals to minus 3 and b equals to 2. So put this in your general solution to find the particular solution. Okay, all are clear? 3टा केस में एग्जांपल कही देले तो निजे बुक रे जहाँ अच्छे सब सॉल्व करबा ट्राई करबा. ओके, Thank you.